Let's be real. Face masks just sit on your face and vibe. This is the Let's Fall in Love with a Sheet Mask set of 4 natural sheet masks. Wow. First, these are visually appealing. Okay, so before I've even used them, I want to use them because the packaging is so friggin' adorable. But not only that, but these are packed with hydrating, soothing, glow-boosting ingredients. And each one literally targets a different skin mood. Yes, skin moods. Vitality, glow, dancing youth, be my honey, every pore is breathing, aha, H2O, and SOS Save My Skin. So we have aloe, avocado, green tea, honey, coffee, yay, anti-aging, orange, brightening, and pomegranate, firming. So, yeah, so pick your poison here. But gentle but effective. So my kids use these, hormonal, I forgot to drink water. There's a mask for that. Zero irritation and soft, glowy results. I also keep these on hand for cute gift stuffers. So, throw a couple of these in a gift basket and we are good to go. But they're fun to use. As I said, the green tea to the coffee to the honey, they smell amazing and serious spa at home energy here. Perfect, like I said, for gift giving or hoarding, all mine, or give them away. But make sure you keep one for yourself. Great for teens, party favors, or a Sunday reset. But final word, hydrating, glowy, affordable, low-key, addictive. So if you're not addicted to this set, I don't know what to tell you, but your skin called. It wants these.